guys, welcome to my channel. So these are some crafts done by my mom. See this? Okay, now she is going to do another craft work with the paper butterfly. So let's all see and enjoy this video. See guys, this is what she is going to do today using a woolen with the butterfly paper butterflies. This is what she is going to do today. So let's all enjoy. Okay guys, now she is going to do it. So have some color papers and take a color paper, fold it into a rectangle shape, and now she'll show you how to draw the butterfly. Okay, now what you must do is cut into that shape. Okay guys, now beautiful butterfly is ready. So with this we are going to do that hanging. So she had made more butterflies using pink color, purple. So now she'll show you how to stick it in the woolen. So wait. So take a butterfly and stick a glue at the back of the butterfly like this, and now see, she is applying some glue, and then okay guys, see, she have been sticked here. See here what she is doing. The applied glue has been sticked in the woolen. Then she's taking another butterfly. Opposite she's sticking. This is how you have to stick. So easy and more colorful to see. How is it guys? My mom's craft. I'll show you some more she have been done. I'll show you that. Guys, see here, she made another butterfly hanging with the pink color, looking gorgeous. Now what we have to do is take a ice sticks. Take one ice stick and cut into the middle so that you'll get two pieces. Then stick it into the shape of diamond shape like this. And now what you must do is and stick that woolen butterfly hanging in that ice stick. See here. Make a knot so that if you stick it won't have that much of grip. If you make a knot, it will be somewhat more grip. So okay, then now I'll show you. See guys, this is what my mom did. Green color and with a pink color. So try it in your home and enjoy doing craft. Thank you.